a follow-up video to the sandwich toaster that I tried to cook pancakes in, which was a bit failure because it spread out. And I was thinking about that, and obviously the mixture was just a little bit too wet with the bechamel sauce in. So we're gonna have another go. So brush the sandwich toaster. This is a bit of chicken fat actually, but we'll brush the sandwich toaster with that so it doesn't stick, and also it'll go nice and crispy on the outside of the pancakes. So that's that. I don't know if it'll work. I think it will, because I think this mixture will be slightly drier, and I'm using feta cheese so it doesn't melt in the same kind of way. So, pancake there, and then it is 200 grams of cooked leeks, 10 grams of chopped parsley, and 100 grams of the cheap feta that I always bang on about how good it is. Well, it's not good, it's just a bargain and something that you should have. It's just one of those things that's in the fridge all the time, and it's a good thing to have, and it's cheap, and it lasts forever. So I didn't want that there. Maybe I should have pre-mixed beforehand. Let's see how we go. So I know these combinations work. Well, I've seasoned it with a bit of pepper as well. So I know that leek and parsley in feta work, because I've stuffed pancakes with them in the past and they were delicious. So it's just a different way of cooking. That there. Making a mess. We'll see how many portions we get. We'll cook 2 in and we'll see how they turn out. Oh yeah, and yeah, I've done the pancakes a little bit thicker as well. So I normally get 7 or 8 pancakes out of 1 egg, but I have got 5 this time. So it's going to be a pancake and a quarter per. Well, you'll see. That's that. Is that about right? About right filling. That should be good. I think that's about right. That looks about right. Anyway, so get your two hands. Or a quarter of a pancake. Which we're just going to put on top, and then we're going to fold over the sides like that. There's just not enough pancake to fold over so it'll properly seal, so that pancake inside is just going to hopefully keep things inside like that. So fold it to size, and then shall I pause before I do the next one? You get the idea. So now I'll do the other one. I think this will work out this time. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And then the quarter pancake on top of that. Fold over, fold over. Fold over. That. Then clamp down, turn on, and away we go, and we'll see how it turns out. Right, it's steaming away. It should be ready because I've already had a look at it, so we should be ready. So let's have a look and see if we can get them out. Turn off. Nice and crispy on top. A little bit of leakage, but that's fine. And then let's break that away there. Yes, this looks like it's going to be a success. So that's worked quite well. We'll move camera, we'll pause and we'll move camera, and then we'll break into one of these. Well, we'll cut into one and then we'll have a look. But I think success. Right, we'll use scissors because it's easier. Nice and crispy. So, have a look on the inside. Break open. Yes. Doesn't that look good? A success. I'm going to say that's a success, and that's going to be nice, is that? So, yeah, there'll be anything you want to put up, as long as it's not wet and too saucy. I think you can cook pancakes like that in a sandwich toaster for a delicious snack. That's going to be really nice. I know it's going to be nice because pancakes are nice and the filling was nice, a nice ratio of things, so they work. Yeah, an alternative thing to do with your sandwich toaster. Some kind of point in the future, I'll do some more fillings. Certainly, it's just one of those things. I think a sandwich toaster sits in the back of most people's cupboards. They make a couple of different types of sandwiches in it, and then they get bored because it's like eating molten lava, and then they sit in the cupboard and never get used ever again. So, bringing new life to a sandwich toaster by using pancakes. A success, I think. A success.